guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiana, and I'm here to show you some products that I am getting rid of in my stash because I feel as though I'm just not going to use them. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Don't forget to like this video when it's over, and let's jump right into the video. Okay, so your girl has a lot going on these days. Disclosure, I am now officially in grad school, taking 3 classes this semester. Also work full-time at a charter school. We're doing remote learning right now. There's some days I have to go in, but it's just a lot to juggle, and I'm like, you know what, let me just film this video. I have 4 locks that I did by myself. Well, I don't know when you'll see this video, but it's about to be 4 weeks that I had these, and I'm just loving them. And I don't know when I'm gonna take them out, but it has to be soon because my birthday is coming up. Just wanted to show you guys also my 4 locks that I am so in love with, and they look so real. And yeah, so anyway, so that's not the point of the video, but it is a disclosure that your girl has a lot going on. So I'm trying to like record, edit when I have some downtime. I have this Bay bag over here full of products, so we're just gonna go through them real quick. So the first product that I'm gonna get rid of is from Mielle. It is their pomegranate and honey moisturizing and detangling conditioner. I have this for over a year. The conditioner is okay. It's probably like around down here. I am giving these to one of my friends that I really call like my younger sister, and like she doesn't really care if I use the products or not. She just wants them because she is a really natural college student, no job, so she'll take whatever she can get her hands on. So you know what, girl, I got you. But I'm gonna give her this. It's not something that I'm like, oh my god, let me go run and pick up. I usually use this for my wigs. It's thick, but yeah, I mean, it's good on my wigs. I never tried it on my hair. Oh, I did try it on my hair once, and like the slip is not really there. But for my wigs, it's okay. But I'm not gonna waste a really good product when I know that she can definitely use it. So I will be giving her this conditioner. The next one is the Cream of Nature Acai Berry and Keratin hair mask, which I really do love. It's very strengthening. I have it to like around here. It smells like grapes. It smells so good. I love this hair mask. It's really good for strengthening your hair. I have so many other protein treatments. I think she will benefit from this more than I, because I have so many other protein treatments, deep treatments that I can use, and I think she will definitely love this, which I really do love this, but she needs it more than I. The next is my hair mayonnaise, which I love. It's my throwback. I did a video on this. Check out on my channel, you can see it. Again, I have so many other deep treatments, protein treatments that I can use. This was good, but it's not something that I feel like I have to try it again. I used it once. Oh, it spilled out a little bit, so it's more than enough in there. So I'm gonna give her this so she can use on her own hair. So just gonna give them away. Next is my Shea Moisture High Porosity Mask. I was dying to get this mask. Finally did. I have a video out on this. It was okay. I'm not raving about like, oh my god, go out and buy it again. I used it one time. I have other masks that I love way more than this, so again, she will definitely benefit from it more than I. So another conditioner I'm giving away is the Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treatment. Now I got this from Amazon when they had like a flash deal and they were only $1. They're really tiny. It's like a one-time like use hair minute mask. I have a bigger one that I do want to do a review on, but these little tiny ones, it's like I have so much hair, this is not going to work for me, so she can definitely use this. But going to give this away. I had another one that I used on my mother's hair and she loved it. The slip is really there, but I have like a bigger one that's in my stash that I'm gonna make a video on, but she can definitely have one of these. Next, I am giving away my Pattern Beauty samples. I used them for a video. I actually prefer I think it's the heavy, no, I prefer the heavy conditioner over the intensive one. I felt like the heavy conditioner had way more slip. It's not something I will go run out and buy the full size. This is the intensive, this is the heavy. I prefer the heavy over the intensive, but it's not that much left. May have to like put it together to make like some type of like mix for a deep conditioner, because you cannot use this in your hair. There's nothing, like there's hardly anything else in there, but she could definitely use this. Her hair is not as long as mine, so she can definitely use these. Next, I am giving away my TGIN Green Tea Leave-In Conditioner, which I had for almost, I think a little bit over a year. I love this leave-in conditioner, but I have others that I love more. I used to grab to this a lot, but since I got the rose water one, I really do love that one over this one. So I'm going to give her this leave-in treatment. It's really good, but I prefer the rose water one over this. Next, I am giving away my Maui Moisture Coconut Milk Combing Cream. Now, I never use this in any of my videos, but I have another Maui Moisture cream that I like as a leave-in. I just never picked it up. It was just sitting there. I was keeping it around because it's a blue bottle. Blue is my favorite color, but that's not a good reason to keep a product around. Probably use it once for like a puff or something, because I see that I did use it just a little bit, like literally just a little bit. She needs it way more than I, so I'm going to give that away. Last but not least is my As I Am Twist Defining Cream. I use this a couple of times for my twist outs. I have other creams that I prefer over this. I probably picked this up probably like 3 times. I have a little bit of dust on top of it. She will definitely love this way more than I. So that is the end of my video. As you know, I am a product hoarder, but I'm trying to do better. Team, use up my stash. I'm not going to shop a lot for Black Friday because I still have products from Black Friday that I have not even touched as of yet. Especially if my hair could continue to be in protective styles. I'm not touching any products anytime soon. So I am not going to be spending a lot of money on Black Friday. But thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Kinks and Curves, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.